What I love about being a dentist here in Missoula at Winterholler Dentistry is I get to work with amazing people and amazing staff, and everybody genuinely cares for the patient's outcome. What makes me a good dentist is I like to evolve as technology evolves, and this is part of the beauty of working at Winterholler Dentistry is you're at the most cutting edge of not only materials but techniques. That's what you'll get not only with me but with Winterholler Dentistry. Patient care is very, very important. We want everybody to have a great experience here. When patients come to Winterholler Dentistry, we want them to feel that passion we have for them and what we not only can offer for them, but what we can deliver for them. And not just for a short period of time, but ultimately for years, if not the rest of their lives. The gateway to your health is your mouth, and it all starts there. I became a dentist to make the difference in the lives of others every day and to help people improve their oral health and for some restore the confidence in themselves. After all, the most powerful social tool we have is in fact our smile.